Hey creatives, I've got a pretty bad headache today, so it'll be short, but I never forget you guys. Today is a perfect example of what it means to have a daily creation habit, even when things are not going great. Make one small thing. Let it be lousy, let it be wrong, let it be absolutely the wrong thing. But make one thing. I don't know where to go with my novel at the moment. I can't really think of the next scene, so I'm just going to write something stupid. It'll be a couple of sentences. It'll be nothing that I probably keep. But the fact is that the effort of creating and the choice to move forward actually is more important than what I'm making at the moment. That inertia keeps me going. So when I'm not practically laid out flat from a horrible headache, I can use that inertia and create stuff that's good. Whereas if I just stop because it's hard or I'm tired, that's not going to benefit me. It's going to be a lot harder to get moving again. Creative, you can do it. You can make one small thing, even if it's a terrible, wrong thing that doesn't fit anything you're doing. You can do this. Your creative inertia is worth it. So however you're feeling, sit down with me now and let's make something new.